Hey guys, I just wanted to share my experience with using the iTear100. This device is a substitute or replacement for eye drops. And for those of you who have dry eyes or stare at screens a lot, this is incredibly useful. I've been using it for about 3 weeks and I definitely notice more moisture and a less itchiness for my eyes. It is prescription and it's a bit expensive. And of course, this is not medical advice, but I've found it incredibly useful, something that you may want to look into. And you can see has this button and it just vibrates and it stimulates your nerve right underneath your nose. It's incredibly effective. A little bit of variability between each person, I'm sure, but for me, it's been very useful. You just put it on and put it right there and it sort of just keep it very light and you'll see a little tears kind of in and around the eye, and that's about it. It's pretty straightforward. Just got to take it very light and even angle it a little so the charging port is pointed away. Something to look into. It's very, very effective, at least for me. So, thanks.